My boy can do no wrong, so I've locked him in the chicken house. And there I'll keep him very well. There I'll keep you very well, Vincent. Locked in the chicken house. You want to get out now?
I can get out.
You say, my mama can do no wrong. Hmm?
My mama can do heaps of wrong.
Oh, can she?
I don't know.
Okay, so that's the chicken house. Over and out. Over and out, Roger. Chicken house, lodger.
Hey, goes wrong.
Oh, it's a good long driveway. I've just had some beautiful, yummy lunch. Oh, yum, yum. I got so full. And I thought I'd better get outside. And here comes Vincent, having an exploration. So will I be able to have a look at the chickens in their little chicken house, Vincent?
What?
Will I be able to have a look at the chickens in the little chicken house?
I don't know.
No, I'll just have a look through the mesh. Here's the chicken house. Hello, little chickens. Can I see you? Is the rooster in there? Hello. Who's the one making all the noise then? Hey? Oh yeah, are you going to say something? Is it feeding time? Is there any room at the inn? Gee, quite a... Oh, there's the big rooster up there. Is that the rooster? Sitting on his perch. Can I see him? Oh, there's a couple of roosters up there.
He told me to try and catch one.
Oh, Vincent's going to... Oh, you don't know how to catch chickens,
Yeah, but I've done
do you? Oh, this is going to be interesting. Vincent's in the chicken house.
just like it.
Go, chicken, go. Oh, they might. It's not... Oh, you're not supposed to scare them, darling. Oh.
Fast.
He's in the chicken house. I'm little but I'm loud, I'm short but I'm proud. I'm a country bud and I don't care who knows it. I'm like a banty rooster in big red rooster's den. I'm puny short and little but I'm loud. I'm puny short and little but I'm loud. I'm puny short and little but I'm loud. Go, Vincent. But I hope this isn't animal cruelty, scaring the little chickie babes. This is how you get them.
I touched it.
Oh, you touched it, but you didn't get it.
You
Oh,
said it's impossible.
it's impossible.
Well, it's not.
But it might keep you from being bored for 5 seconds. And watch out for that big stick coming out there. That might get you.
Bitch!
Don't call the wee chickens biatches. Oh. Anyway, this has been a real nice Sunday, long weekend. Come out to somebody else's part of the world. It's real nice. I'm puny short and little, but I'm loud.